Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how Germany changed after World War II. Following the war, Germany was divided into four occupation zones by the Allied powers: the United States, the United Kingdom, France, and the Soviet Union. Berlin, the capital, was similarly partitioned. The initial goals included denazification, demilitarization, and democratization, aiming to rebuild a peaceful society. This division laid the groundwork for significant political and economic shifts. The initial occupation led to the formation of two distinct German states. The Federal Republic of Germany, or West Germany, emerged from the Western zones, embracing a democratic capitalist system. Concurrently, the Soviet zone became the German Democratic Republic, or East Germany, adopting a socialist, centrally planned economy. This ideological split created a stark contrast in political and economic development, impacting millions of lives across the nation. Beyond political and economic structures, German society and culture experienced profound changes. Extensive denazification programs aimed to purge Nazi ideology from public life and institutions. Millions of refugees, primarily from former German territories in the East, were integrated into the new states. West Germany fostered a new democratic identity, while East Germany cultivated a socialist culture, emphasizing collective values and state control over individual expression. The division persisted for over 4 decades until the dramatic events leading to the fall of the Berlin Wall. This pivotal moment paved the way for German reunification, bringing the two states back together. The process of integrating the differing economic and social systems presented considerable challenges, requiring substantial investment and adjustment. Today, a unified Germany stands as a significant economic and political force in Europe and globally.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.